Learn coding in 30 days, a step-by-step guide to becoming a developer. Learning to code has become one of the most sought-after skills today. Whether you want to build websites, create apps, or pursue a career in tech, here's a guide to help you learn coding in just 30 days. Start with the basics. Focus on understanding basic programming concepts like variables, loops, and functions. These building blocks will help you understand any programming language. Getting the basics right is crucial, as everything else will build upon this foundation. Choose the right language. Languages like Python, JavaScript, and HTML/CSS are perfect for beginners. They're widely used, have strong community support, and are relatively easy to pick up. Selecting a beginner-friendly language helps you get comfortable and confident quickly. Practice every day. Dedicate at least an hour each day to practice coding. By applying what you learn through small projects, you'll retain the information better and develop a solid understanding. Consistency is key when learning to code. Even 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference.